Lesson 7. In this presentation, we'll be taking a look at compound verbs, and for instance, how they behave in the past tense. English and Greek both feature compound verbs, which are verbs composed of two or more elements. In English, the first element is often, though not always, an adverb. For instance, the adverb up plus grade equals upgrade. It's a compound verb, can also be used as a noun, of course, to get an upgrade. In Greek, the first element is a preposition. For instance, apa, the preposition apa, from, plus the verb lua, I loose, equals apalua, I release. The meaning of a compound verb cannot always be known, deduced, from the meanings of its parts. And that's why we have to really learn the meanings of these compound verbs for their own sake. Like normal verbs, compound verbs receive the past augment in the past tenses. Here, the augment is placed between the preposition and the simple verb. Let's take our verb apalua, which we just looked at. We drop the omega to get our stem, and normally, to augment this in the past tense, we would take, in this case, the first letter, alpha, it's a vowel, we would lengthen that to eta. However, that is not what we're going to do here with this compound verb, which consists of the preposition plus the verb. Instead, we are going to insert the epsilon, the past augment, in between the preposition and the verb. It's going to go right there. And then what happens, usually, is elision. We are actually going to drop the omicron, like that. And of course, we're not actually going to use our little apostrophe, but it's going to end up something like this. And we will add our ending, s, second person singular, to get apellues. You were releasing. Some prepositions change their spelling in compound verbs for ease of pronunciation. For instance, the preposition en plus pipta, I fall, equals m pipta, not n pipta, but m pipta. The nu is replaced with a mu for ease of pronunciation. When the augment is added to such compound verbs, the preposition reverts to its original form. So the verb is empipta, but let's see what happens when we put the past augment in between the preposition and the verb. We're going to get our verb stem by dropping the omega, insert our epsilon, and then the mu, the m, is going to revert back to the original form, n. And we're going to add our second person singular ending to get enepiptes, you were falling upon. For further reading on the past augment in compound verbs and how it works, and also just a review of the past augment, take a look at page 67. Thank you.